kumba kiri ka perthai ke lapet kai ya ka jingkem kari Amerika ya u presiden ka Venezuela u Nicolas Maduro kumta u Zelensky ru lapet kai ya ka jingkem ka Amerika ya u Maduro ban nakliang jung presiden ka Ukraine u Zelensky u lakwai u presiden ka Amerika u Donald Trump baun kiam ya u Putin kumba u kiam u Maduro habakli nong thok bori u Trump ha White House Naphang ka jingkwa jung Zelensky ban kiam u Putin u Trump la yubab ba umsim la perkhat ban kiam u Putin Utro mula ong ba udon ka jingadai ka bakraw badu Putin kumjuru badu Zelensky Utro mula ong ba ulas nusi namar hau benai baladep ka jingyab jung kibreu hak thma Russia Ukraine kala poe sa kalai poe jarngut Utro mula ong ba ka US kadang yale ban penyasuk ban penkudno ya ka thma Russia Ukraine Utro mula kwa ban penyasuk no kloi namar sibun kibreu kelayap bad bun naki kide kisipai Utro mula yathu man lau benai Kajingap jung kibreu hakatma Russia Ukraine kala poe kembal live hajar lane live hajar ngut utrom laya thuru ba presiden ba kamen swa jung ka Amerika u Joe Biden ul ai lais pak $1 billion jaga Ukraine banyak khun ya ka Russia utrom ong kan ne kamde ka jinyate batu ndre ka jinyate ka bakraw kadai ka jing sangi ya ka thma hakaba live hajar ngut kibreu kala yap tang haka sibnai
Peter, I do want to ask you about Minnesota, but first, just more on topic. President Zelensky said that he was watching with the rest of the world as you made this order to go and capture Nicolas Maduro. And he said, if that's how it works with dictators, then the United States knows what to do next. Sounds like he wants you to go and capture Vladimir Putin. Would you ever order a mission to go and capture Vladimir Putin?
Well, I don't think it's going to be necessary. I think we're going to have I've always had a great relationship with him. I'm very disappointed. I settled 8 wars. I thought this would be in the middle of the pack or maybe one of the easier ones. And I don't know if you know, Peter, the last month they lost 31,000 people, many of them Russian soldiers, and the Russian economy is doing poorly. I think we're going to end up getting it settled. I wish we could have done it quicker because a lot of people are dying, and mostly soldiers. You know, they get hit in Kiev and they get hit a little bit here and there, and people are dying there too. But largely it's the soldier population. When you have 30,000, 31,000 soldiers dying in a period of a month, 27,000 the month before, 26,000 the month before that, that's bad stuff. So as you know, President Biden gave $350 billion to Ukraine to fight, and we would never get that back, although I did make a rare earth deal to get it back, so we will be getting it back, but shouldn't have done that. It was a bad thing to do. I will say that right now, because I was able to get NATO to up GDP from 2% to 5%, NATO's got a lot of money, and they're paying for everything. We're not losing any money. We're making a lot of money, I guess, if you think of it, because we're selling our military equipment. They're probably giving it to Ukraine, but we're selling them to NATO military equipment. We're getting full price and all of that, but that's not a big deal to me. What is a big deal is stopping a war where 30,000 people are being killed every single month.